Hi everyone, welcome back to social class. In this class today we are going to learn about clothes we wear. We are going to learn about clothes we wear. Before starting the class, I have a question. Which are the three main basic needs of human beings? Which are the three main basic needs of human beings? Yes, the three main basic needs of human beings are food, shelter and clothes. Yes children, food is very essential for all living beings. So without food we are not able to survive in the world. So food is very essential for all the living beings to do work and to survive. The next one is shelter. Shelter is nothing but where we live, that is house or home. So we need shelter to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, then the dangerous animals. So we need to protect from heat, cold, rain and also from dangerous animals. So everyone have their own home or house where they live. The third one is what? Clothes. So why we need clothes children? Yes, we need clothes to cover our body. And to look smart and to protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and from insects. Today we are going to learn about clothes. Children, do you know early man, how did they cover their body? Yes, the early man covered their body with leaves, barks of trees and skin of animals. Day by day they learned the use of clothes and now we all are wearing clothes. We wear clothes according to the season and climate. We wear clothes according to the season and climate. Now let us learn what type of clothes we wear in summer. In summer we wear cotton and linen clothes. In summer we wear cotton and linen clothes. The cotton and linen clothes, it keeps us cool. Got it children? The cotton clothes and the linen clothes, it keeps us cool. Got it children? So here in summer the weather will be very hot. In summer the weather will be very hot and we used to sweat. So this cotton and linen cloths, it absorbs the sweat and keeps us cool. We get cotton from cotton plant and linen from flax plant. The next is that is in winter. In winter what type of clothes we wear? In winter the weather will be very cold. So in winter we wear dark colored woolen and silk cloth. In winter we wear dark colored woolen and silk cloths. Understood? So woolen and silk cloths, it keeps us warm. It keeps us warm. We wear leather jackets in winter season. We get wool from sheep and silk from silkworm. The next season is rainy season. Now let us learn about in rainy season what type of clothes we wear. Yes children, in rainy season how will be the weather? Yes, you can see the drops are coming through rain in the form of water. Yes or no children? You can see the cloudy in the climate and you can see drops of water is falling in the form of rain. Yes. So when you go out in rainy season, so we all wear a raincoat and we wear umbrella. We will be holding the umbrella. So without umbrella we are not going outside. So in rainy season we wear a raincoat and we go out with umbrella. Okay children, here you can see why we wear raincoat when we go out. So in the rain makes our clothes wet. When we go out, the rain makes our clothes wet. So when we wear a raincoat over our clothes, it keeps us dry. So it keeps our clothes dry. So in rainy season we wear raincoat, we go with umbrella outside and we also use gum boots to go out. Got it children? In the next class I will explain about different dress that we wear in different occasion. About the dress, what type of dress we wear in a different occasion. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.